what if I just want to print this pivot table? I can select and go to File, Print. I have the option here to print selection only. So you see, it eliminates everything else that is not selected, which is great. What if we don't want the data? Let's imagine that I want to print everything up to here. Okay, so column B to column H. To do that, I can select these columns. So I will be ignoring column A, which is useful so that we don't waste space in our page, printing a column that we do not need. And to indicate that this is the area that we want to print, we can come to page layout here at the top, and then print area and set print area. So now Excel and even gives me these fine lines here that won't be printed, but they are just indicating the area that is being considered for printing. There's another view that we can use here under page break preview that is useful when we want to see what we are going to print. We have the gray area to indicate what is not going to be printed. So the white area is what is going to be printed. And these blue lines indicate the page breaks. So the continuous line are the limits, and then the dashed lines are page breaks here. I can drag them. Of course, I cannot drag them indefinitely. I may not be able to do that depending on how much I want to fit in one page. But in this case, it's just one column. So that was missing from the page. Let me go and do. So this indicates that column H is being left out of the printing, and this one is also being put on a separate page. So I can tell Excel, well, do your best to put everything in just one page. And I say, just imagine the page goes up to here. And Excel says, okay. And what about this one? Let me try that too. And so if we do this and now come here to print preview, in this case, I need to click that button to actually have access to the print preview. I see now my page, all the elements nicely laid down in one page only. So that's looking good. Nothing is being left out, and I have all the information in just one page, and everything has a decent size. I'm guessing that if I print this, I can still see the information correctly. So we have the print preview. That's another thing that I wanted to show you was this view here and dealing with page breaks. Let's say you wanted to put the chart on a second page. You wanted this pivot table in a page and then the chart and the other elements in the second page. You can select, for example, a column here and right-click, insert page break here. Or you can also here, where it makes sense it to be page layout, breaks, insert page break, and it enters a page break there at the top, separating the two pages. So if we go to print preview, we will see now we have this information in the first page and the rest of information is on the second page. Okay, so that's another way we can deal with printing.